Here he was lonely, sitting there, only him. I will not call the other. I wanna feed him first. Yeah, he's very quiet. Come. Don't be shy. Come, boy. Come. I don't know if it is a boy or girl. Not sure, but look like a girl. I feed him before. This is the best brown bread, very good bread, with jam and butter, no sugar, natural jam. Yeah, come on. You don't want any more? Yeah, come on, eat. Yeah, eat full belly. Yeah, full belly. Yeah. You want me to call your friends? Yeah. She's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Look. When they grow, become white, the beep change. The eyes color change. Now it's dark, black. See the eyes now? Dark. They change when they grow up. Look how dark it's very dark. And then they grow, become yellow a little bit. Yellow, green. Yeah. She's happy now. You happy? You want me to sing to you? You are lovely. Yeah. Lovely, happy. That's what they're looking for. Love and happiness. That's it. Like human being. Love and happiness. See? They want to live, they want to enjoy their life. They choose to live in urban area because the lack of fish, and they change everything. But the right place is in the cliff, beside the ocean, sea. But no, it's up to them. Some live there, some live in city. Yeah, say bye. Yeah, beautiful. You say bye. And say see you next week. No, I'll see you tomorrow. Definitely see you tomorrow. Another one make me